how to download GTA Vice City in Windows 11 PC. So first, you just have to open your Steam application. Now you have to log into your Steam account, and then here you have to go to store and then tap the search bar here and then type Grand Theft Auto Vice City. So once done, you will see here the result, and what you want to do is just simply tap that one. And then here you will see that this game contains something that, not appropriate for all ages. So you have to enter your birth date to continue. Okay, so once done, what you want to do is to click this view page here. Okay, so once you tap this view page, then you have to scroll down till you see this add to cart. So you have to tap this one. Now we have two options here, purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. So of course I want to purchase it for myself, so I have to tap this one. And then after that, it will take you to the payment method. Here you have to select a payment method. You can pay via PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and so on. So let's just say you want to pay via PayPal. So you have to click this one, tap this continue button here, and then tap this continue button again. Okay, you can read this one if you want. Click PayPal, and then here what you want to do is just simply enter your PayPal information, email or mobile number. Tap next, and then after that, there you can now purchase the game. So once you have purchased the game, you can go back to the library, and there you can click the game and start playing. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next tutorials.